Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new VPN called OViS Tunnel. This VPN offers unlimited and secure browsing with its fast servers and multiple protocol support. Let's go through the installation and setup step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store and search for OViS Tunnel. Look for the app with the recognizable VPN icon, then tap Install. Once the download is finished, tap Open to launch the VPN. Step 2. After launching the app, you might be asked for notification permissions. This is optional, so you can allow or deny it. Make sure you have an active internet connection, as the VPN needs to update its server list, which may cause the app to restart. Step 3. On the home screen, tap the server section to see a list of available locations. Pick a server you prefer. You can switch servers anytime. Step 4. Next, tap the Tweaks button to open a list of built-in protocol options. Scroll through and select the one that works best for your needs. If you prefer custom settings, tap Custom Settings at the top right and choose from protocols like Slow DNS, V2RAY, or SSL. Step 5. Once you've set up your server and protocol, return to the home screen and tap the Start button. In just a few seconds, your VPN connection will be established, providing you with secure and unrestricted browsing. Step 6. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices, go to the side menu and tap Tethering. Toggle the setting to enable it, allowing other devices to connect through your VPN. And that's it. You're now set up with OViS Tunnel, enjoying fast and secure browsing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.